Right, we are back with another comparison video. Last video, we found out Stoic FX was the champion for that comparison. Now, I see all your comments in the videos, and make sure you're commenting down below as well with a broker that you want me to put up against today's winner. Now, what we are doing today is Stoic FX versus Tag Markets. Now, let me know also in the comments before you watch this video who you think is going to come out on top. Now, before I jump in, remember I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, up first is Tag Markets. Okay, I'm not too familiar with Tag Markets, but there was quite a few comments in our previous video asking for this one. Now, what we can see straight off the rip is it is very clean. It's a very good, you can see the graphics on there. Looks like they're using MetaTrader 5 as well, which is always a bonus for traders. Now, I'm a trader myself, so I always like to see MetaTrader 4, 5, even probably their own app, etc., something like that, which will be beneficial. So what we can see here is your funds, your rules, instant withdrawals, 24/7 live support, and elite market conditions. They also have free demo, and you can register as well. The top part, they've got trading. If we click on that, it redirects us to the different type of accounts. They've got a 0 Pro, Amplifier 12X, and a Islamic. Now, I've looked through this before recording this video. They do go through those accounts, so don't think I've just skipped over them. So that's a 1 hour average withdrawal time at 9 billion plus a billion average trading, a 1 to 500 leverage, 40,000 plus traders, FSC regulation, and a 24/7 live support. Okay, your partner's in profits, and as we can see here, they do have the MetaTrader 5. Experience the most powerful trading platform, MetaTrader 5. I highly recommend always using MetaTrader. That's obviously the one that everyone would likely do. And if you are looking for education as well, more often than not, the educators that you're actually learning from will be on MetaTrader themselves. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below, and let's jump back into the video. Okay, so you can also earn on autopilot. They do have copy traders from best traders in the world and earn passive profits, and fast crypto withdrawals. So these are different types. You've got a 0 account, which is perfect for those who value simplicity and cost effectiveness. Pro, tailored for experienced traders seeking advanced features. Amplifier 12X, designed for the trader looking to maximize his capital. 12X your deposit and trade with no restrictions except a 10% drawdown. And then Islamic, designed for traders that have religious belief that prevent them from receiving or paying overnight swaps. As you go down, there are flexible deposit options, looking like they are all crypto. Okay, so you can deposit and withdraw with various cryptocurrency. Oh no, bank transfer, credit card, and even more. Okay, spend your profits in real life, so you can spend your profits instantly with the Tag Markets debit card, real-time transfer, zero hassle, global accessibility. And then they have a couple of different ones where you can have a little chat and talk to them. They also do have an IB program as well. Okay, now let's head on over to Stoic FX. If you watched our last video, these come out on top for quite a few different things. However, we're going to go through it again just in case you are brand new to this videos. Okay, what we can see is Stoic FX. Okay, you can trade with confidence with Stoic FX. Access global market, experience top-tier execution, grow your trading skills with a partner you can trust. So at the top, we can see they've got platforms, again, MetaTrader 5 and WebTrader. They also do have a copy trader and also a PAM/MAM account, and they offer funding as well. Now, if you were to click on funding, you can see fund your trading journey, withdraw with ease. So at Stoic FX are making funding trading accounts simple. They have multiple different ones. Okay, they've also got global e-wallet and cryptocurrency as well. And you can also do global e-wallet and cryptocurrency for your withdrawals as well. But if we head on back to the homepage and work our way through, they have an affiliate section. They've also got a breakdown of their liquidity. And then there's Stoicism. Okay, so this is the philosophy, the notable Stoics, Stoic in trading, and then a Stoic trading plan. So this has a little bit of education built in with it as well. You can log in and get started. It's nice and simple to set up. There are multiple different publications that have done different things with them as well. Now, why Stoic FX? Okay, so they're saying competitive trading conditions with flexible leverage options. You can tailor your trading approach to match your risk appetite. Okay, number 2 is trusted and transparent. Transparency is paramount at Stoic, with straightforward fee structures that eliminate hidden charges. So what you see is what you pay. Client funds are secured in top-tier banks. A new generation trading technology is built on a state-of-the-art platform offering real-time charting, technical indicators, and automated trading tools to meet modern traders' needs. Education and support. Okay, so the commitment to trader growth is the heart of Stoic FX, with free tutorials, webinars, detailed trading guides catering to every single level. Meanwhile, there's 24/5 customer service available via phone, email, or live chat. Market access, you can see that they do Forex, indices and commodities, and also cryptocurrencies as well. Now, they also have 8 powerful benefits of trading with Stoic FX. That's ultra competitive spreads, fast and reliable execution, wide range of markets, secure and compliant environment, flexible account types and leverage, dedicated education and support, easy deposits and withdrawals, user-friendly platforms. And like we've mentioned before, they do have that MetaTrader 5 and also WebTrader, but they also have their mobile app as well, where you can trade on the go and get push notifications of your trades and also any alerts you may have set. But there we have it, guys. That was Stoic FX versus Tag Markets. Now, before I give my verdict, make sure you drop down in the comments your opinion on who you think that came out on top here. You guessed it, it is Stoic FX. Now, why? Because I personally think their website and everything about them is completely transparent. They're telling you exactly what you're going to get, where you're going to get it, and how you're going to get it as well. Not only that, they don't have any confusing account types. It's literally the account types that you see. Also, you get the deposit and withdrawals both ways. It's not a case of you can deposit with your bank but only withdraw a crypto. It's you can deposit with your bank and withdraw with your bank as well. And not to mention that mobile app that honestly in this day and age everyone is using their mobile. So having a specific mobile app that will give you the alerts and keep you updated with your trade, in my opinion, brings them out on top. But let me know your thoughts down below. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.